Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting question from algebra in which we are given x squared minus x cubed equals to 36 and x belongs to a real number. So we can bring 36 to the left hand side. We get x squared minus x cubed minus 36 equals to 0. Now we can break down this 36 into 9 and 27. So we get x squared minus 9 minus x cubed minus 27 equals to 0. So we can write 9 and 27 as x squared minus 3 squared minus x cubed minus 3 cubed equals to 0. Now we can rewrite this equation as x squared minus 3 squared minus take minus 1 common. We get x cubed plus 3 cubed equals to 0. So now we know a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b times a minus b, and a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a squared plus b squared minus ab. So our equation will become x plus 3 times x minus 3 minus x plus 3 times x squared plus 9 minus 3x equals to 0. Now take x plus 3 common. So we get x plus 3 times x minus 3 minus x squared plus 9 minus 3x equals to 0. So from here we get x plus 3 equals to 0 and x minus 3 minus x squared plus 9 minus 3x equals to 0. So from this we get the value of x, that is minus 3, and from this equation we get x minus 3 minus x squared minus 9 plus 3x equals to 0. So on solving this we get minus x squared x plus 3x, that is 4x, minus 3 and minus 9, that is minus 12 equals to 0. Now multiply this whole equation by minus 1. So we get x squared minus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. So we can find the value of x using quadratic formula, and we know that if a equation is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, then x can be found by minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So apply this formula over here and we get x equals to minus 4 plus minus under root minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2 times 1. So on solving this we get 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 48 divided by 2, which is 4 plus minus under root minus 32 divided by 2. And solving this we get 4 plus minus 4 times under root 2 I divided by 2. So this is an imaginary number that does not belong to a real number. So we ignore this value and we have the only one value, that is x equals to minus 3, and we can verify it. We have on left hand side x squared minus x cubed. So by putting the value of x, that is minus 3, we get minus 3 square minus 3 cube. So on solving this we get 9 minus 27, and solving this we get 36, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence, this value of x satisfies the given equation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.